How are you all? Hope you all are fine and liking my videos. Today we will continue chapter 11 of history, New Empire and Kingdom. What we are going to study in this chapter? We are going to study question answers, define and exercise. Before that, do share my video with all your friends and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. Coming to define the following. First is Harsharita, the first historical biography in Sanskrit. Then Mahadand Nayak. Who is Mahadand Nayak? The chief judicial officer during the Gupta period. And who was the Mahadand Nayak during that? That was Hari Sena. Then Navratna, 9 gems or 9 famous people from different walks of life in King's Court. Then Prashasti, an inscription of special kind written in Paris of an emperor. Then Prophet, yes, Prophet Muhammad, who was that chosen human being who revealed the message of God to people. Then Sabha, an assembly of Brahmins and land owners. Then coming to Samantas, strong military leaders who provide weapons and equipments of war and soldiers to the king. Now coming to Sandhi Vigrahika, the minister of war and peace during the Gupta period. Now coming to exercise, state whether true or false. First, Harisena composed a Prashasti in praise of Gautami Putri Sri Satkarni. It's false. Harisena composed a Prashasti in praise of Samudragupta. Then coming to B, the rulers of Aryavarta brought tribute for Samudragupta. Yes, they brought tributes to Samudragupta. There were 12 rulers in Dakshinapath. Yes, there were 12 rulers in Dakshinapath. Now coming to D, Takshashila and Madurai were important center under the control of Gupta rulers. False beta. Ujjain and Patliputra were important center under the control of Gupta rulers. Now coming to E, Ahol was the capital of the Pallavas. False. Ahol was the capital of the Chalukyas. Then coming to F, local assemblies function for several centuries in South India. Yes. Now coming to question 2, mention 3 authors who wrote about Harshvardhana. The following 3 authors who wrote about Harshvardhana are as follows: Banbhatta, Yangzheng and Ravi Kirti. Now question 3, what changes do you find in the army of this time? We find the following changes beta in the army of this time. A permanent army was kept by the king or the ruler. This was well organized. Second, soldiers used different kind of weapons such as battle axes, arrow, scythes, spears, barbet, dates, sword, iron curds, javelins, barbed arrows and long arrow, etc. Elephants, chariot, cavalry were used along with foot soldiers in the royal ground. Besides, there were military leaders who provided the king with troops whenever he needed them. They were not paid regular salary. Instead, some of them receive grants of land. They collect revenue from the land, used this revenue to maintain the soldiers and horses and provide equipment for warfare. These men were known as Samanta. Whenever the ruler was weak, beta, I have already told, the Samanta tried to become independent because he was maintaining a troop. Now coming to question 4, what were the new administrative arrangements during this period? The following new administrative arrangement during this period were: king adopted a number of steps to win the support of men who were powerful, either economically or socially, or because of political and military strength. Some important administrative posts were now hereditary. This means the son succeeded father to these posts. For example, the poet Harisena was a Mahadandanayak or the chief judicial officer like his father. Then third one, sometimes one person held many offices. For example, beside being a Mahadandanayak, Harisena was a Kumar Martya mean an important minister, and Sandhi Vigrahika means a minister of war and peace. So 3-4 posted one person was having. Now, beside important man probably had a say in a local administration. These include the Nagar Shrestha or chief banker or merchant of the city, the Satvahana or leader of the merchant caravans, the Prathama Kulika or the chief craftsman, and the head of the Kayastha or scribe. Now coming to question 5. What do you think Arvind would have to do if he was acting as a Samudragupta? So Arvind would have to follow many things if he want to act as a Samudragupta. First, he had to march Solomoni in splendid robe to trill his moustache, and while the silver paper wrapped sword with gusto, he had to sit on the throne and play the veena and recite poetry. He had to fight several battles, and at last he has to keep and help Harisena, a poet of Sanskrit, in his court. Now coming to question 6. Do you think ordinary people would have read and understood the Prashasti? Give reason for your answer. I think ordinary people would have not read and understood the Prashasti because they were illiterate and they did not know how to read Sanskrit in which the Prashasti were written, because the ordinary people used to speak in Prakrit. Now coming to question 7. If you had to make a genealogy for yourself, who are the people you would include in it? How many generations would you like to show? If I had to make a genealogy for myself, I would like to include the following person in it. First, my grandfather, the name of my grandfather, father and mother, if I am having a son, and my grandchildren. I would like to show the following 5 generations. Great grandfather, grandfather, parents, my own name, and my son and grandson. Now coming to question 8. How do you think war affect the lives of ordinary people? Today, war affect the life of ordinary people in the following ways. They are killed in a large number of people, property, houses, shops, etc. destroyed. War create violence and disturbance in society. Development projects and welfare work undertaken by the government for the welfare and the benefit of the people are disturbed and postponed. Then war wastes economic and other resources. The government generally imposed more taxes on the people. So here we have completed question answers, define and exercises related to your chapter. For the further video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.